In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Google Workspace. This is a quick and simple process that should take us about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Workspace URL, or simply search for Google Workspace in the search bar. Once you're on the page, you'll need to access the admin console. You should see an option or a button labeled admin console right on the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is the centralized hub where you can manage all things related to your organization's Google services. Next up, you'll be prompted to log in using your business email. Make sure you're using the admin account associated with your organization's Google Workspace, as only admin accounts have the necessary permissions to manage users and settings. Enter your business email and password and hit the login button. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you will see the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid of small squares. Give it a click to bring up a list of Google applications. From this menu, you'll want to choose the admin icon. This icon will take you deeper into the areas where you can make changes related to user management. Now you'll want to head to the home section of the admin console. Look for the link or navigation option that says home and click on it. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you can easily find all user management related actions. On the home page, look carefully for an option that says add a user. This is usually prominently displayed given its importance. Once you find it, click on it and you'll be brought to a form where you'll fill in the necessary information for the new account you are about to create. Here's where you'll need to provide the basic details for the new user account. The required information typically consists of the new user's first and last name, an appropriate username, and any other pertinent details specified by your organization. Double check all the information to ensure accuracy before proceeding, as this will be important for the new user's access permissions and communication. After filling out the form, your final step is to add the new user. Look for a button that says add new user and give it a click. This action will finalize the creation of the new user in your Google Workspace. You'll typically be provided with a confirmation that the new user has been successfully added. And there you have it. You now know how to add a user to Google Workspace. This task can be accomplished quickly and is an essential skill for managing your team's cloud services. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials.